It is possible to protect the climate and at the same time cut costs. Siemens illustrates the dramatic impact of building automation and control on the energy efficiency of buildings based on the new European standard EN 15232. Also employing the best in-class products and systems from building technologies, we show you how costs and CO2 emissions can be lowered, enabling us to protect the environment. Buildings contribute 40% to the world's energy consumption. This needs to be changed. By the year 2020, the European Union wants to save 20% of energy and form a standard and a uniform product and system certification. Intelligent building automation and control alone can accomplish dramatic savings of up to 30%. Siemens has decades of experience and leading-edge technologies at its disposal to achieve those targets. Now we would like to show you how you can cut building costs. Basis is the new manual, Building Automation, Impact on Energy Efficiency. The manual shows the fundamentals of energy-efficient building automation and control functions and explains the benefits of eu.bac product certification. The focus is set on the room with its users. It is influenced by a number of thermal effects from people and equipment. In addition, daylight and thermal effects from outside have an impact. High energy efficiency calls for integrated room automation and demand-dependent control. Room comfort is controlled in accordance with the requirements of the room users, and energy production and distribution are adapted accordingly. This is the only way to save energy and to reach conformance with Energy Efficiency Class A. What do we understand by energy efficiency classes? Energy efficiency classes value energy consumption using a scale from A to D. According to the European standard EN 15232, all relevant energy functions of building automation and control are assigned to energy efficiency classes. For a number of building categories, the standard defines efficiency factors for thermal and electrical energy in the 4 energy efficiency classes. The efficiency factors are clear indicators of how much energy can be saved in certain building categories. This is shown as a percentage versus building automation and control with standard functions. For example, 30% thermal energy can be saved in an office building when comparing the building automation and control functions of Class A with those of Class C. Siemens is also involved in work associated with the European Quality Assurance System of eu.bac. It pursues the objective of developing solutions for reducing the CO2 emissions of buildings and a European quality assurance system for energy-efficient building automation and control equipment. The basis used for that purpose are eu.bac certified products and systems. In the case of eu.bac certification of individual room controllers, the control performance of the products is tested. To obtain the license document, the minimum accuracy required is 1.4 Kelvin. As we know, a reduction of 1 Kelvin represents energy savings of about 6%. The eu.bac tests produced excellent results for Siemens products. For Siemens individual room controller RX used in connection with fan coil units, the test report summary confirmed an accuracy of 0.2 Kelvin in heating mode and 0.1 Kelvin in cooling mode. This means that Siemens individual room controller RX is capable of savings up to 8% more energy than other eu.bac certified controller having a limit value of 1.4 Kelvin. By publishing the respective test report summaries, Siemens demonstrates this best-in-class contribution in terms of energy savings. The Siemens portfolio includes products and systems for room automation, energy distribution, energy production, and energy services. Hence, Siemens ensures intelligent room comfort and energy efficiency in the building. Our portfolio consists of valves and actuators, operating units and sensors for all types of media and physical variables, and automation stations that can be matched to the respective application. These products and systems enable highly energy-efficient solutions, allowing the supply of energy to be matched to the requirements of all rooms. With its building automation and control systems, Desigo and Synco, and its home automation system Synco Living, Siemens already meets the requirements of energy efficiency Class A as per EN 15232. Siemens offers also energy services as demonstrated by the following service package. About 80% of building costs incur during operation. Energy costs represent a major part and provide significant potential for optimization. For that, Siemens offers extensive services aimed at maintaining and optimizing the energy efficiency of buildings, both short and long term. The savings potential made possible by intelligent use of building automation and control is demonstrated by a large number of reference projects. For example, the General Municipal Hospital in Aalst, Belgium saved almost 36% heating energy and nearly 16% electrical energy. At the same time, CO2 emissions were reduced by 22%. All this was accomplished just by improving the control system. The project's payback time was only 6 months. Thanks to the improved control system at Erikslund School in Borås, Sweden, heating energy consumption was cut by 32% and electrical power consumption by 14%. In addition, CO2 emissions were reduced by 824 tons. Here too, the payback time of less than 1 year is rather short. Since 1994, Siemens has completed more than 1,900 energy projects worldwide. They represent savings of 2 billion euros within a period of 15 years. And CO2 emissions were reduced by about 2.4 million tons per year, the equivalent to 600,000 cars doing 20,000 kilometers per year. As a member of several global initiatives, Siemens also makes its vast experience accessible to other interested parties. As you have seen, it is possible to protect the climate and at the same time cut costs. By making use of the best in-class products, systems and energy services available from Siemens, costs and CO2 emissions are lowered, thereby protecting the environment.